Marijuana become legal someday soon in Wisconsin.
Well, proponents are once again trying to change the law in the state. Legislators who introduced the new bill today said it would allow seriously ill people to use marijuana to ease their pain. But opponents say it is not the right move for the state. Tonight, Fox 11's Laura Smith has multiple views.
I'm certain at some point we will pass this in Wisconsin.
Democratic State Rep Mark Pocan is introducing the latest proposal to legalize medical marijuana.
We find there's so much more support in the state than opposition, and elected officials are simply behind public support on this.
The measure would allow access to marijuana for patients with conditions like cancer, glaucoma, AIDS, and HIV. It also creates a maximum amount of marijuana a patient may receive. Plus, the bill sets up a registry with the Department of Health Services.
As far as a doctor goes, it should be a tool in their arsenal.
Jay Selthoffner is with Northern Wisconsin NORML, a nonprofit whose goal is to legalize marijuana in the state.
As long as we can allow patients to use the medication, allow caregivers to provide it in some way, shape, or form, as long as we can take patients off the battlefield on the war on drugs, I believe it's a winning bill.
Medical marijuana opponents, including some drug addiction specialists, say there is no real advantage to having another drug available on the market.
We have a lot of trouble with prescription drug abuse. We have a lot of trouble with alcohol. We have people who are addicted to marijuana, and that seems to be as disruptive for people in people's lives as any other drug.
The bill was last attempted when Democrats controlled the legislature in 2010, but it didn't gain enough support to pass. Now Republicans control both the Senate and the Assembly, and it's believed unlikely to win favor this time around either.
At this point, I would be inclined to oppose it. Not that I think that it will get to the floor, but I just think that the idea has too many red flags surrounding it right now to be able to proceed.
Rep Pocan admits he doubts the bill will pass, but feels it's important to keep the discussion going. Laura Smith, Fox 11 News.
Right now, 16 states, including Michigan and also Washington, D.C., have legalized medical marijuana.